Okay, I'm going to show you how to edit in Lightroom. First of all, I want you to crop your image to almost a square. I want you to fit your model right in the middle using our rule of thirds, using the square grid. I'm going to hit enter once I get the square grid. Now, the easy part. What we're going to do is go to your H cell, click saturation, and then make sure you have this menu here, saturation. Pull everything to the left except the aqua and the blue. So let's move everything over except the aqua and the blue. You can see that. And I don't want it this bright. Let's go to minus, say, 22 to 25, around there. Okay. And then you can do your further editing if you want. I'm going to brighten her up just a bit and just bring out the, just contrast a bit and just do a quick. All right. So this is what I want. Now, next step. So you don't have to do this to every picture. It'll save you time by just creating a preset. So just click the plus button here and click no more edits. Or yeah, no more preset, I should say, sorry. Preset, click create, and now it'll appear here. So now every image that's in color, I can just click here, no more preset, and it applies exactly what I just had in my last image. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my image, the one and go there. Now the next step, file, exports. You're going to name a folder here, which I have one already, no mas I called it. So let me just, for the purpose of this video, no more. Scroll down to where it says file settings, make sure that's at 1800. We don't want to go higher than that. And make sure you put resize to fit 1500 by 1500 with 72 pixels. Okay, and that's all you need. Make sure your watermark is unchecked. Some of you may have your Dear World still checked. We need to make sure that is no longer checked. Then click Exports, and it's going